What's going on, guys? It's Ben with Svelte Training. Today we got an awesome fat burning workout for you guys here with no equipment needed. You can just do this with any space and the will in your heart. So we just have to go over 5 exercises. We're gonna be doing 2 sets as well. The first set, I'm just gonna be going over the exercises really thoroughly, slowly. And the next set, it's more about the energy of the workout, getting that sweat and that calorie burn. If you guys like the workout, you can rewind it from the beginning of the second round and just keep up the pace as long as you want. So without further ado, let's get into it. So workout number 1, we're just gonna knock out some jumping jacks. I know you guys have probably done this since you were 5, but we're gonna explain it to you because we're a fitness channel. So all you're gonna do is be shoulder width and take 1 jump out with your arms out as well. Make sure your chest is up and your head is high, and then you bring them back down. Super simple. I'm gonna do this for 30 seconds so you guys can really see. I know it might be extensive, but it's all right. We're just gonna knock it out real quick and begin. This is a really good full body exercise for calories, working that cardiovascular system in almost every muscle in your body at the exact same time. Just knock this out for 30 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. If you guys wanna make it a little more simpler, you can just do step outs where it's more like this, and you're kind of just doing it one-legged. That's totally fine. Awesome, guys, so you got that first exercise down pat now. We're gonna move on to the second exercise, which is lunge twists. These are really great exercises for your legs and your core, especially that booty everyone wants to grow. So we're just gonna show, it's nice and simple. You're gonna have your chest up. You wanna have your feet about shoulder width, hands on the side or in front of you. I like to have them in front of me. And you're gonna take a full step out and add that twist at the end. You don't wanna put all your weight on your knee because you still want that contraction in the muscle on your quads. Bring it back up. And make sure you're doing the other side as well. So now we're starting at 30 seconds. Remember, feet shoulder width, chest up, head up, and just take that first step out and twist. Bring it back up. And this is where you want to exhale on that up part of the movement. Twist, up and exhale. Twist, nice, back up. Make sure that head is up high. Looking up can help that. We're just gonna do 1 more. We got a couple more seconds. Just finish that last one with me. And we are done. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Now we're halfway. We just have that third exercise to go over right now, and that is the high arm side bends. You've seen these in a lot of yoga instruction videos, but this is also a workout for your obliques, going shoulder width, maybe a little bit over shoulder width, keeping those arms straight and up, shoulders back, perfect posture to get as much muscle activation as you can. Ooh, just like that. Now we're gonna be doing it for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do a side angle for you guys so you guys can see how that looks. And begin. Make sure those shoulders are rolled back. Head is still up. Like I said, feet is almost shoulder width. Switch it to the front for you guys. Up and side. Finish up these 30 seconds. Make sure you're breathing. And out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. You can always do 1 more for the fans. That's what I like to say. All right, now for the 4th exercise, we got kickbacks. Kickbacks are really, really not in my realm of exercises, but I got my awesome coach, Coach Gabby, to really teach me how to do these. And all you want to do is just be on your knees like this, your arms straight, just like a plank. And all you're going to be doing is trying to pull your hamstring and glute up and kick out. And then just bring that controlled to square one, just like such. Okay, make sure your back is straight as well, and that your butt is leveled with your back. So now that you know how to do that exercise, we are gonna be doing it for 30 seconds to demonstrate, and let's begin. All the biscuit makers out there really love this exercise. I'm flat as a wooden board, so. But it is a great hamstring and glute exercise. Really works on your lower back muscles as well. Let's do this. 3, 2, and 1. Woo! And there's 4 exercises and we're not done. We still have one more exercise to do. It is plank with knee taps. This is a pretty simple exercise, but it is way harder than you think. So let me show you how to get it done. You just wanna go in your normal plank position. I know I talk about planks a lot because they're very effective. So all you wanna do is be in a push-up position, tuck your butt, suck in your core, or make it tight at least, and make sure your contraction is there. Don't put your hands in front of you or behind you. You just wanna make them straight like pillars. I always say that. Kick your feet out a little bit more while keeping that butt still tight and tucked. Same with your core. And all you're gonna do is just drop your knees and go back up into that position. Just like such. Now we're gonna be doing it for 30 seconds so I can really show you guys how it's properly done for the round. So let's get into it. And begin.
Also, looking up helps as well with core activation. If you have a mirror, I really suggest you to use it.
I'm trying to look good for the video, so I can't look at it. But
it is very important to keep that back and butt leveled and squeezed on top of your core. 3, 2, and 1.
Awesome, guys. Now it's time for the second round of these exercises. I know that the 30 seconds may be looking a little too fast for you, but remember it's 30 seconds so you can take it at your own pace and do whatever you're comfortable with. Always remember that. So without further ado, let's start these rounds off and get going. First off is jumping jacks, and we're starting in 3, 2, 1, and begin. Make sure you're breathing on these. This is a cardio exercise. People want to forget about that. 30 seconds is 4 times longer when you're running. Whew. Keep it going. Almost done. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Okay, now we're hopping straight back in to the second exercise. These are lunges with a twist. Make sure that your feet are shoulder width, hands are in front or on the side of you, and you're breathing out on the upward part of the motion. And begin. Make sure if you're having trouble keeping your head up, lost my balance right there. It happens. Just reset. Make sure your shoulders are straight, heads up, and get right back into it. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice, nice, nice. All right, now halfway done, almost. We got high arm side bands. I know there's 5 exercises, so we're kind of in the middle there, but let's go and start these 30 seconds. Arms up, shoulders back, chest up, and begin. Now this movement has to do a lot with range of motion. So if you want more range of motion, all you do is put your feet closer together. Now you can go deeper on the movement, get more stretch in the muscle. Almost done with those 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats, guys. All right, now we're going to our 4th exercises. Just simple, nice biscuit makers, kickbacks. Let's get into it. Get set, make sure your arms are straight over, and kick back. Remember, use that hamstring in the glute. Don't just wanna throw that leg up. The legs are really big muscles, so make sure you're really focusing on your breathing. Just keep it going. Got a couple more seconds, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome, guys. So now we just have one more exercise to finish out this workout. That is the plank knee taps. Let's just go into those real quick. Remember, butt tucked, core tight, legs out, and head up. Begin. So you're breathing. You can go as fast or as slow as possible. I honestly like to go for time under tension. That is where I have found the most results in muscle growth or toning, so on and so forth. And then finish off these 30 seconds in 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you go, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this video. That is it for the workout. If you guys like videos and content like this, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you have that bell notification on so you know as soon as we upload, you can come and watch one of our videos. Thank you so much for joining again, and see you on the next one. Peace.